I want to talk to you today about these Go Must microfiber beach towels. Now, this one is an oversized one. They're 71 inches long by 32 inches wide. They come in a pack of 4. And so let me show you this one. They're all nice and wrapped in here. Just put them in a stow in your car or your RV or wherever. They'll fit great in your suitcase when you're traveling. Now, they come in all these wonderful, colorful colors. So on this side, you have palm trees. And then on this side, you have a very colorful, like tie-dye kind of thing. And they are nice and large, as you can see. Nice and large. And the sand does not stick to them. They're quick dry, so you would be able to lay out on the beach and not have to worry about dragging that sand into your car or your hotel. And it would just be so much cleaner, especially if you have like an RV and you're at the beach and you don't want to drag that sand in. These are great for that. They're easy to fold up and keep stowed in your car because you never know when you're going to want a blanket and sit out and have a little picnic. So you always have a little nice blanket handy. And there's just so many things about it. And they also have this little tags on the inside. I'm not sure if that's a wrist tag. So when you go to, I'm not sure if that's a wrist tag, if that's what that is for, but I think these are just a really nice beach product. And that's